Video we have spotted another male papaya. Okay, we spotted another male papaya. In our garden we have a total of 3 male papaya. One is with this one, we have pruned it already, and the second male papaya in our backyard garden is this. We have pruned it already and we are waiting for the result. We use a top pruning technique, and another this time we spotted another male papaya here. You can see that. That's a male papaya. So this is another technique I will show to you. Some friend of mine have taught me this technique, but I do not know if this really works. That this male papaya will become a female if you did this or you do this like this. Now we will try that way. Okay, we will pull out this tree, and then we will pull out this papaya tree, and then we will cut the root under, and then we plant it. Okay, sige. Yeah. You have to be. I'm only saying I'm multitasking. I'm video and I hold the camera and I do the, you know, that's multitasking. Okay, this time we pull out the male papaya. As you can see, there is a stem that is beside the roots. So this stem, my friend of mine told me to cut that so that the male papaya will become a female or it will bear fruits. So I don't know, this is my first time using this technique. This is my first time. If this, I don't know if this will work, but you know, trying is yes. Okay, we have just this. We cut the roots. We cut the root. That is under pruning, root pruning. Okay, root branch, not the roots. You do not cut the roots, but the rooted branch, like stem, rooted stem in the under. You cut it with this, okay, and then that's the result. Now the second, and then we will top prune this, top pruning. Wait. Top. We top prune this, ha? We cut the top. We will do it later. We plant this. We will plant this. Okay. We go back planting our male papaya. I hope somehow this will work so that we can use this in our planting techniques. We apply this in our technique in planting papaya. Hopefully this technique will work. I will update you. And then the other, you have to use two techniques. The under pruning, the root pruning, the stem pruning, and the top. Okay? Wait. Okay. This time, we will use a knife here. We will cut this one. This one. Top pruning and under pruning. Okay, I will update you on what is going to happen in this in our papaya tree. We use two techniques, the under pruning and the top pruning. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos or for more adventures of Pinoy TV. Mabuhay!